Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Nissan Sentra 2.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Okay, so first turn your ignition to the on position. So we're going to be watching this light right here. So press your gas pedal up and down 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wait 7 seconds. Now hold the gas pedal all the way down. Now you see that light starting to blink. Okay, now the light is on. So now you're good to go. So that's how you reset a maintenance light. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.